Hello there. So I think this is the second episode about me try to code a new object detector model. So I actually did, I guess, 2 hours this morning, but at some point I was very mad at the computer that I swear too much, so I not really think that's YouTube friendly. I cut my hair. And yeah, so we're gonna have a look together and we're gonna discuss some of the thinking and issue that I'm facing by try to code a very good, let's say fairly still simple but efficient data pipeline. So I'm gonna squeeze myself in the corner like during high school. Here we go. Nice. So I create a new folder called data, in which at the beginning I start to think if I should use TensorDict or FFCB. But the issue with FFCB, you're not seeing my browser. Oh, so wait a sec. There we go. Okay. The issue with FFCB is that if FFCB stores images, I would like to just store the raw pixels. It requires some extra dependencies, and that was the point which I was mad at the computer. But FFCV does a lot of low-level optimization stuff that maybe we will be missing it. But I don't know. We'll see. So the thing with TensorDict is that I need to do two things. So if my browser again, come on. If I want to use TensorDict, I will have to do two things. First, read the whole dataset and parse it, e.g. getting the images and labels. Read the whole dataset, parse it, and store it as a map mp file. Then decide if and how I need to pad. Come on, tab. If I need to pad the PV boxes and labels, I need to know the biggest amount of PV boxes one image can have. I can efficiently computing it by looking at the file size and knowing the line size. If we have YOLO format that, I don't know, it's a format, it's not the best, it's not the worst. I know in each line I have class label and I think 4-digit precision floating point for the bounding boxes. Now, since there are always gonna be 5 of them, I'm assuming that I don't need to open each file. I know the size in bytes of one line, so it's 1 character for the label, 1 character for the first space, for floating point, blah blah. I can just get the file size and divide by the size of a line, and then I get the maximum number of line. That means the maximum number of labels. Sorry, then I get the number of labels for a file. It means then to get how the maximum amount of labels that one image has, because I need to pad all the others. I can just scan through all the files and get the maximum. And that will be very efficient and way faster. I can still use threads, but actually I'd probably just just can be one single thread, because I don't need to open anything at all. And threads in Python are a painful joke. But do I really need to pad though? That is the real question. Do I need to pad? So in the loss function, do I need to pad? We need to recheck it. But yeah, for now, let's show this comment. So this is similar to a logbook. So Francesco of the future can't remember what I was working on. So here I have some code for something I called YOLO dataset. So this is a torch dataset. So remember, if I want to create a memmap tensor with TensorDict, I still need to at least once open the old dataset and parse everything to tensor, then store them to disk. So the best way to do it would be the usual way, in which I just have a dataset in PyTorch, have a data loader with multiple processors, and I process them in batch. So still faster. This means that ideally I can easily go ahead and remove the and I can swap to a normal PyTorch dataset, because it's, you know, it will more or less end up with the same format, I guess, but we'll see. So good coffee. So basically this dataset here is getting a root. So that's, yeah, getting a root, image format, JPEG in this example. I think we have JPEGs here, don't really care. And then I get all the file paths. This is the land, so how much data we have. Then I get the file path, the image and labels. I call this function, this called get images and labels. To get the images, just use the torchvision.io read image function that is faster than read it in Pillow and convert to tensor, because it's like it's all in C++. You don't need to switch to Python. It's usually like 20% faster, sometimes even more. To get the labels, I get a file, you know, easy peasy. I open it, blah 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 blah, and I return a tensor with the labels. So first column, class ID. Second column, bounding boxes. I mean, from the second bounding boxes. Now, you know, here this is kind of shitty, because I guess should be maybe return a dictionary, right? So at least we have some kind of typing, I guess. So if I here say, I mean, this thing is in general, right? And if we look at this one and my object detection data, which I copy and paste some code that I had, so I mean from TensorDict import map tensor, okay. All right. So this is basically the same thing, right? Right. So would it make sense to return a TensorDict instead, right? So I can just return a TensorDict from this guy. And what these things will do is get in a dataset, create all dataset as a TensorDict, and then store it as a memmap file. Now, if I want to do that, from here, I'm gonna need to import this guy here. And from this guy here, I will need to import this guy here. So this is a circular dependencies. Here also, I wrote some tests. I've written some tests, sorry. And as you can see, you know, I get the things that I want to get. Now. Let's think about that. So I guess so this for sure could be in a separate function. It can be a builder, right? Then when I want, then in my pipeline, what I will do, so when I do this, I can write to a file name. Yeah. Okay. So what I want to do, how is it possible to open? What if I want to open a file? It's front answer, right? That's okay. Empty like. Save item. Load item. No idea. Tew. Good code. Okay. Yeah, so one thing that I would like to avoid is to build that set every time we are uh, we're doing this stuff. So here, when you hate, yeah, here you can pass a file name. Oh, this file name is known. Yeah. Yeah, so let's look for references. What? So if damn, I don't remember how do I. Well, I will just do something like that. Here. Ah, yeah. Okay, here. Here. Get name map array. The fuck is property? Yeah. I think we will have to make a PR here. I should call it from file, I guess. Yep. But in okay, yeah. So TensorDict doesn't support loading a memory from file. I should make a PR. Okay. Now I'm actually thinking about let's see. Okay, so Yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. The dataset won't be depending on TensorDate. Oh, but but our task is pet TensorDate this type, right? So I'm gonna change this is type. This is data. This is builder. Then we're gonna fix this. Hello? 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 What is going on here? I'm gonna reopen this to the code. Oh boy. Ah. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna say this guy return something like that. I'm still wondering why I don't get auto completion here. So let's go. I'm gonna follow the same convention here. Fuck it. Image, boxes, labels, boxes, labels. Fuck. Yeah, at some point I will have to think about good variables names. Today is not today. Let's see. If I call it type, the model name sg.data. It's interesting. Oh yeah, sorry, you're not seeing everything. Damn. Yeah. Oh yeah, you are. So I reopen it. Let's see. Now, what's going on? So in it here we have it. Data, it's here. So let's go on playground. So I have playground, some weird stuff here. Playground, and then I need to go in playground train and do this thing. Why every time I open one file, it asks me if like to restore? I don't know. So from src dot data dot datasets as YOLO import YOLO dataset. And from public import path. Let's go. Let's see. Still the same thing. Okay. Init builder. Am I missing? Come on. Am I missing something important? src data. It is here. Init correctly spell. Data type. This one should have to go builder. Don't need this. Can somebody explain to me what's going on? It's here. Okay. Weird. Because here I was injecting here, so let's do like this then. Does not make any sense at all. I don't know. Okay. Where the hell is... Oh. Yep. I don't remember how to hide that. Oh. Okay, nice. So I have some problem on this computer. It's my home computer because it takes so long. Of course, labels. And we need to add a new dimension. Oh my god, oh my god. Debugger, my friend. Let's see your shape. Oh my god. No, so something is completely fucked up with this interpreter. I don't understand. Little tired today, if I have to be honest with you. Oh, yeah. So. Ah, do you remember before that I was telling you that we can actually use a dataset, multiple data loader to load everything? That's actually... I don't know. That's still correct. Okay. So fact the object dict. Fact the object dict. I don't want to deal with that anymore. This is weird. Yeah, okay. So right type. So what we're gonna end up here, you'll say, okay, I don't care. I will just return 4 things. Right. Right. Makes sense, right? Right. That's kind of a small image there. Sweet. Sweet. Coffee. What we want to do, what we want to be able to do today is get to a state in which we have a minimum viable data pipeline. Okay, I have a data set here. Nice. My type, and now I want to have my builder. plus YOLO. I mean, this is for YOLO, right? No, this is object detection, dataset, builder, right, def, cool. Now what I need to have, root self.txt equal a little bit of tst def maybe create tst self.tst kd exit okay true parent blah 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 bar. Nice. Integrate it. So I remember there were people. I don't know. I'm sure going to object data. So several people would say, you know, instead of relying too much on the magical things, it would actually make sense to have something like that. And then I guess I agree. So now guys, now the important part is that data okay, so in data where is data? I need to come up with better names. Image, view, bounding boxes, labels, image sizes. Nice. So batch size, first one. Okay. Now I know how much I need to pad, right? Let's get the first one. I need to know how much I want to pad, so we can infer the shape. What I'm gonna say, this one, and then I got this MF here. View. Here we are making an important assumption, right? That we resize the images. Remember, we need to have equal size images, right? right? And because why? If we want to batch them, we need to be able to have the same size. So now we are having a couple of issues still. Like we need to pre-process the dataset once. Yeah. So mm-hmm. I think this is correct. Okay. Now I need to have some minimum augmentation. The only augmentation I need to have here is resides. Resides. You know what? If that is the case, makes perfect sense. Oh. Oh, we're gonna fix the issue with the gonna fix that. Now, if we don't pass anything on the batch size, what's gonna happen? I'm wondering. Perfect. Perfect. You know, like the cool thing is that I can do CUDA, and all of them are CUDA at the same time. Second. Bam, 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 bang. Sweet. Cool, sweet. Sweet. Like this. Now we need to write something smart. So we can have data augmentation that works on a tensor dict, right? So the only data augmentation I need to have transform is So like there are two ways that you can build a documentation. So one, so let's say an XPI example. Aug equal I have like that aug, and then like for image I do resize, I don't know, resize and normalize, and for BB boxes I just do resize, and then here I can pass a dictionary image. BB boxes, right. That's not too bad, but what if you have something here that has something random that needs to be shared, right? So like you know, this is composition 101, I say. So yeah, I want to have, okay. Now assume we do something like this. Or just do something like this, right? This is non-deterministic. Pel. Change, right? Then I can create a torso generator. Okay. I can do cool. I can do something like this, right? I like it. Okay, so I can have this is smart. This is fucking smart. I can call it class edit augmentation. No, dot model. Why not? So I should be able to export all this stuff to Onyx, right? This is, I'm gonna call augmentations dict. This is a dict of str and then dot model. And let's remember, I need to have a generator. Right, like this here. I need to have a generator, because what I'm going to do I'm gonna do one smart thing. if you do a map, like if I do a map, then I need to do a list. Well, we can be explicit. Augmentation in augmentation self dot augmentation. You know, there are a lot of people using list map comparison, blah blah. Sometimes you can just be explicit. Why not? Augmentation dot so yeah, so let's go ahead and define what an augmentation is. Right, easy peasy. The only thing that it may take a generator. Let's also set it. Pew pew. Yeah, so maybe we can add a print in the middle, you know. Yeah, so the idea is that you know, we fix the generator for each one of these guys side, so they're going to be consistent. Oh no, fuck, I need to clone it. We need to copy the state. How does a generator work? Like if I want to generate something. Now let's have a look there. Come on. So maybe inside the Bernoulli operation. What? Oh, come on, my internet just crashed. Okay, it's alive. Slow but alive. Yeah, I don't understand how to get a number for a generator. If it's a generator, then I guess I can just go ahead and what I was doing, guys, before. Here, this is transform. Yeah, transform. If this is a generator, can I just call next gen? If I call it, okay, so here I have a gen 1. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this, and then actually I can just print a, right, gen 1. This should be different. Sorry, I need to check. Yeah, they are different now. Now, if I do gen 1 dot set state, gen dot get state, nice, they are the same. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so what I'm thinking about is that, yeah, very easily, I will yeah, so from an API perspective, I mean, this is cool because you really are in control or whatever. Like, I can resize bounding box on a different size. But from an API perspective, I guess should just have, yeah. Um, yeah, yeah. Maybe I can just have a list. Augmentation, yeah. Let's do like this. It's easier. Easy peasy. Sorry. Easy peasy. There we go. Now I need some documentation. So I was working with ChatGPT. The site is not really good. Damn, I have a problem with my internet provider. Fuck's sake, it's slow. No. Yeah, yeah. These are some PyTorch augmentations that works on only image. Now assume we have a dictionary, a data class with image dot PV boxes, labels, please add support for PV boxes, a support for all the orders fields in the following augmentation. Please make the code as clean as possible by splitting functions, by making functions work only on a specific field, e.g. in a resize transformation I would like to see resize image and resize boxes. Assume image have size of bed size, non-channels, take width, PV boxes, bed size, non-labels 4, and labels bed size, non-labels, and image size bed size. Be sure to also update images sizes. Last theme is height and width. Let's go. No, chat, no, GPT-4, come on. Bye. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm reading an email from lawyer. It's not doing what I told him to do. I want you to separate the logic of the transformation on each field in a different function inside the class. AG flip image, flip PV boxes. Nice, this is good code. Thanks. Thanks. Finally. So every time I open LinkedIn, my good friend Piotr is always there. Always there. So yeah, Piotr, then always there. Always on my front page. I guess he should stop doing that for Aboflow. He should start his own YouTube channel. Yeah. So yeah, my good GPT-4 is doing its own stuff. Damn, a lot of people join Discord. There is a guy on the Discord called the Darth Vader. Oh boy, the force is strong on this one. Okay, I need to create an event. So on Tuesday we're gonna read some papers. Reading papers. Tuesday 20th. Yep. Yeah. At 21. This. Nice. Now we can also say sorry, call. Yeah, you can't wait, you can see it well, right? Fit to screen. Yeah, it's basically a tensor like dictionary. AG tensor dict. My constant tensor dict is the following. Let's see if this guy is smart enough. Now assume each transformation you made takes a tensor dict called data and returns the correctly updated. Please update the code. More example of tensor dict, rounded up. Copied and pasted tensor dict doc. Correct. And quite a few people joined the Discord server. In the meantime, I can show you my Lego Millennium Falcon. So, there you can see Lego Millennium Falcon, and the interesting part about it is that, so first of all, it's heavy as fuck, like 14 kilos. It took me around 2 months to build it, so in total it's like 30-40 hours of work, like every week I guess I invest like 3 hours, you know. It's actually working. No, one thing that I don't like about this here is that I guess it will be copying the tensor over, right? Right. But I want to do in place operations. I don't need to create a... Will it be copying? Is it going to copy? Let's see. Be sure to do as many in-place operations as possible. Okay. Man, it's so slow. Oh, it's the wrong website. This one. Let's kill some noobs. Oh. Yeah, the sensitivity is too big. Where is the settings? Way better. Oh my god. The aim accessibility is too big. Aim accessibility too big. 0.6. 0.6. Let's kill some. Okay, so this is one of the loser who actually pay to win this game. Oh, come on. Okay, okay. So too many pay to win people here. So let's play survive.io. In the meantime, I'm gonna ask. Please explain what you change and why. Okay. I mean, I log it. That's the issue. Why is so hard to play a game? So apparently it's really hard to play one game. Come on. Yeah, I know how to play. Yeah, I don't know what's going on today with the internet. Something's definitely wrong. I don't know. Set better than a crunker. And we'll see. What? Oh my god, zombies. Damn. Oh, oh. I'm unbelievable. Cheap to buy pistol. How much money do we have? Who is Walter? Oh! And they are strong as fuck. I guess the tactic is to go closer to the bot. Okay. So I have 400. Yeah. Okay. Unbelievable. I hate to play with my friends, but that's fun. So what's this? Buy Chrome. 2000 and something. Oh, that's a mystery box. 900. Oh. Sweet. Okay, finish my ammo. Thanks, man. I guess I need to buy the ammo. Let's go! So the mixer box was there. Okay. I actually found a lobby with not zombie anymore. I suck! Mods. So I want to play the zombie mode. Yeah. Oh. Lol. I'm gonna host a game that ideally. So what's here? Not much here. Oh, okay. And here we have the Swift, no idea. Oh, what's that? Oh. Fuck. Pistol kill. Nice. I'm gonna buy the... And to buy the ammo, how much? Ooh. Damn, it's strong. Ah, I still have the instant kill. Oh! Okay, I need to... G, come on. Come on, bot. Ah, okay. No worries. It looks like I can't host anything. So there is a little bit of lag. Okay, I need to push it. Need to push it. One is down. Two is down. This can suck. Okay. Try to snipe me. Try to snipe me. Okay, one is down. Deposit. Okay. Yeah. They're going to push me. Ah. So I can actually change. I can actually. I don't want it. Yeah. Yeah, as soon as they're gonna get some machine gun. If I remember correctly, it's way better. Oh, no, it's there. Come on. How do I... Okay. Okay. Nice. Oh. He had a sniper. Damn. That's the big play there. Yeah. Still sniping people. Okay, I got him. Nice. Fuck. Oh, he's not dying. Come on. Okay, he has the sniper. So let's take the sniper. Sniper. Hunter. Let's do this. I can see shit. E. Okay. Damn it. This guy is using the axe speed, I guess. Ah, they're on the opposite side. Easy. Oh, one last and then let's get back to work. Oh, that's free for all with a sniper. It's not gonna end well. Not at all. Can I? It's a sort of Maya map. Fuck. Yep, nice. I can ult this lane here. Yeah, yeah. They now know. Miss it. It. Oh, it's warlocking. No, it's sucking speed. What a loser. Can you imagine being accurate in this game? Like, I mean... Double. Oh, that's nice. Ah. Let's leave it. Okay, cool. I need to tweet something and then I'm gonna be back.